Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Dashi shio karaage. Karaage, Japanese fried chicken, is usually seasoned with soy sauce. But today I'm going to season it with salt and dashi, Japanese soup stock. So it's just another variation of karaage. If you want to make regular soy sauce karaage, I put the link here, so please check it out. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this dashi shio karaage, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings and some extra to put in your lunchbox on the next day. 800 grams of chicken thigh, 6 tablespoons each of potato starch or cornstarch and flour, all-purpose flour or cake flour, 3 tablespoons each of sesame oil and sake, 2 tablespoons each of grated ginger and grated garlic, 1 tablespoon each of hondashi, instant Japanese soup stock, and salt and pepper. Let's cut and marinate the chicken. If you want to make it with the skin off, just remove the skin. Then trim off all the fat. Using the tip of the knife, stab it to tenderize. Cut into half, and this bigger part into 3. And this smaller part into 2. And if you want to make it with the skin on, you still need to remove the fat. Into half, bigger part into 3, and smaller part into 2. Let's put them back into the bowl. Then put all the seasonings: hondashi, salt and pepper, sake, grated garlic, grated ginger, and sesame oil. Rub it well using your hand. Cover it and let it sit at least for an hour, if possible overnight in the fridge. I marinated the chicken for a little over 2 hours, so it's time to fry. Mix flour and potato starch. Let's put the chicken. Only the chicken, and leave the liquid out. Heat up some vegetable oil in the frying pan, about an inch from the bottom of the frying pan. Medium-low heat to start. Gently put the chicken into the oil. And fry them for about 4 to 5 minutes as you flip them over from time to time. Try not to touch them too much at the beginning. Fry it for a little over 4 minutes. Turn the heat up to medium-high and keep frying for another 2 minutes or so. Once it's nicely browned, take them out and drain. Before moving on to the next batch, turn the heat back to medium-low. And clean the oil. Okay, all fried and it's done. いただきます。This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Dashi shio karaage is the main, so it goes here. Plain rice here, and enoki miso soup or any soup you like here. How about ほうれん草ともやしのサラダ for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye.